One coin is randomly selected from a jar containing 10 pennies, 15 nickels, 8 dimes, and 7 quarters. Find the odds of selecting a nickel. We're going to be using this formula. The odds of selecting a nickel is going to be the favorable outcome to the unfavorable outcome. In our case, the favorable outcome is selecting a nickel. The unfavorable is selecting any of the other coins, if we selected a penny, a dime, or a quarter. Remember, we have 15 nickels here. So when we select a coin, there are 15 nickels that we could actually pick from inside the jar. The unfavorable is the other coins. In the jar, there are 10 pennies, 8 dimes, and 7 quarters. We need to add these up, and that gives us 25 coins that are not nickels. So our unfavorable is 25. We can simplify this because 5 will divide into both of these numbers. So you get 15 divided by 5 is going to give us 3. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. So our solution to the odds of selecting a nickel is 3 to 5. Okay, that's it for this question. I hope you learned something, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.